So believe it or not, this is my first time trying to cook. Yeah, crazy, I know. I had to Google a few things to learn the basics, but right now I just bought some turkey burgers and do something light tonight. Don't want to go too hard because I'm not ready yet. Not trying to blow up the place. So I'm just do some turkey burgers, see how these turn out. The heck's under my feet? Nothing. All right. So hope y'all enjoy seeing, a 40-year-old man over here trying to get in the kitchen. Now I'm gonna explain why I don't like cooking. It's because I'm impatient. I'm patient with everything else, but I'm impatient when it comes to eating. I'm very hungry. I want to eat right away. I know. I don't have time to be walking back and forth, simmering stuff, marinating, checking on things. I just want to get it going, eat right away, throw it down. But I'll take my time this time. I'm going to make it appreciative, because it's going to be from me. So we'll see how we do here. And I can't find my stuff. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Got these at the market the other day. You see all that nice stuff on there, no GMO and all that stuff. We don't know, right? We don't know. They get the oil. We got the safflower oil. So I don't have your typical Wesson oil or anything like that. I'm gonna coat the bottom. Let you see it. I'm gonna coat the bottom of the pan. And if you know anything I'm doing wrong, just let me know in the comments. I'm a very, very open-minded person. I can take constructive criticism. I'm gonna swirl this thing around. There we go. Maybe put too much. Looks like a damn lake in there. I don't know if I put too much, but we'll see. No, we're hungry, so there's only 4 in here. I might just do 2. I think I'm just gonna do 2. Get this oil out of here. Said 4 to 5 minutes. How long has it been? Can't check the time. In the meantime, I got a little yogurt on the side here. I think I'm gonna pull some of this oil out. I think it's probably too much. I think I got too much oil. I don't want to drown my burgers. Set medium to high. I'm gonna turn it to high now. Put this away. All right, I'm gonna take these out. Ooh. Ooh. I like that sound, baby. I'm doing something, ain't I? I like that sound, baby. Oh. First time I threw something on the skillet. It's been years. Listen to that. Listen to that sound. Woo. I'm very proud of myself. Very proud. I can't find my spatula. That's the problem. I should have figured that out before I threw it on there, right? Here we go. I'm hyped, boy, I'm hyped. Now, I don't have any cheese, so what type of... Let me turn this down now. turn these down just a notch. I'm gonna check under here. Check under the burger, make sure it's not burnt. Ooh, I forgot how those pops felt. Man, I used to hate those little pops that hit you and stuff. Damn, sorry guys, sorry. I took my case off my phone. Should never did that. I'm gonna just hold it. But what should I put on this bad boy? Because I don't have any cheese. I need some seasoning or something, right? Damn. I'm gonna buy some cheese. Why not buy some cheese? Alright. Sorry. We're gonna do this. First we'll get some salt. Oop. Bad boy's cooking. Let's put some salt. And sprinkle a little something. Throw some behind me. Oh, hotel. Gonna put these bad boys over. Man, I can't believe I'm doing this right now. I swear I can't. It's not much, but it's some baby steps. Baby steps. My mama will be so proud right now. So proud. Man, got an Old Bay up in here. Sorry. They got mustard though. They got mustard. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. No mustard, nothing. What's the... I can throw these in here. Throw my rest of my burgers in here for later, another day. Put these bad boys over again. I like it well done. Look at that golden ring. Look at that golden ring. Oh man, the boy nice is the boy nice. It's my first time in, like I said, years. Give me my props. Stop hating. Give me my props. Woo-wee. Man. Come on, my pants is falling down. Looks like I got no mustard though. No cheese, no mustard, no nothing. Get the bread out. I got me some wheat bread. You know, I'm trying to eat a little healthy. Next time I'm about some mustard, I'm gonna get some cheese. So the next two I have in there, It's gonna be lit. All right, I think it's time to take these off. What do you guys say? Voila. Hope you guys enjoyed. It's just the first of many more that's coming. Maybe something light today, something light. Something light today. I'm so hungry. I'm gonna tear this up, even though there's no cheese in my place, no mustard. Damn. Sorry, Phil. Look at that. Mmm. Good. Mmm. I don't need no seasoning. They put it in themselves. Just checking on the inside. I think it needs to be cooked a little bit more. A little raw in there. Just a little bit raw. Sorry, though. I'm gonna show you. Just a little bit raw. I think in the middle there. A little bit raw. Man, this feels great. I don't have to go outside. I have to order no DoorDash, pay extra fees. You know, brother trying to save some money. Trying to save some money. Every dollar counts. I was doing my calculations, and I used to go to Wegmans every day for lunch because they have good food. You know, it's healthy and everything like that. But I couldn't believe I was spending $14 a day, 5 days a week, just for lunch at Wegmans. You do the math. And that's not including dinner, not Wegmans for dinner. I'm just saying, you know, dinner out, breakfast out. It's a lot. I'm over here paying another 2 car payments, or maybe a car payment, depending on what kind of budget you're on. Like, you know, if you want an expensive car or not. I'm over here paying another car payment just to eat. It's crazy. Like, where all your money going? That's where it's going. So all you out there that eat out like I did, trust me, it looks good at first because you see 14 here or $10 for Chick-fil-A or whatever. You're thinking it's nothing, but that stuff adds up quietly. I'm not no finance, you know, advisor or anything like that, but, you know, shit is real. All right. I think this is done. I'm about to tear this stuff up. I don't care if it's finished or not. Ooh, it's hot. I'm gonna say peace out. Catch me on the next cooking session. I don't know what I'm gonna make next time, but we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna have some fun. Learn as I go. I'll tear my little boy up right here. Man. $5. 4 turkey burgers. $14 for a platter at Wegmans. Trust me, you do the math. Save your money. Put a little time in the kitchen. Peace.